Today we're unboxing the Philips pasta maker. All sorts of interesting attachments came with it. Very cool.
I don't know what piece this is.
This is
Cool.
Philips Advanced Collection. HR 235705. Very cool. It lets you make fresh homemade pasta.
Hey, this is the noodle.
Quickly and easily.
Here's the lasagna.
There's a lasagna one.
What's this?
This looks like a fettuccine or a spaghetti.
This is the cleaner. I don't remember what it is exactly, but it is classy.
It is really cool, eh? Alright, let's see what else we've got in here. You like it? My kids are as excited about this as we are. We love fresh pasta in our family.
What's this?
Ooh, recipes. Buddy, do you think you can lift it out of there? You have to get both hands in there. Whoa! That is so cool. Look at all that.
On button.
On button.
Doesn't seem to come charged.
No, it doesn't, honey. You have to plug it in. Isn't that cool? I'm going to set it down. Thank you very much. Whoa, a couple more. Oh, that is to hold the pasta. That's measuring cups. And let's take a look at the pasta maker. Whoa, this is beautiful.
That's where you put the egg white in.
There we go. Nice little cord.
Small but loud.
And here is where it's all taped shut, but inside there is where the pasta is made, and in the front is where the delicious pasta comes out. And then very excited to start making some pasta with this.